Yedia Kensi on Senpai Sakan and Pensu Jao. Medin the Ino Kwesi Walanyo Wallace, a good catch back coupe, the only nomenclature the professors degree in sports, the Al Regina Wallace, the nation's presenter, and a medicine Kunya, na famous Sandin Kumokesi, so 18 Saba. Shan Sumami say Numakun Emma Kumakubesimi and Samadama, one net Chabuaman and Openso, Yadin common 18 bar. One expert, I've always told you that betting is better than Sakawa, bet the intestinal which is so trying before, and I wouldn't be full trying to come be a din Kumasa Manum. Catch busia for now 4 year ma offer for nanam ukrumu ene ompna fo nyina se one expert and na boys yentu omoka krabo a momutimi di bronya bu modern ada se on sabetimi aka one expert jefas mr do tashi infections do gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di pona chiwa do etimi bo aprapra haraba na omno bo ma otimi di nchineche ko heba shops pharmaceutical shops nemu on sabetimi aka jefas mr na boa emaniama etia tutu yi e di amount one expert me kano na sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel and also feel a pampa so bepe monansi ya pain yaudia etufi ase na ebo amaniama 8 ye ma kwa shaman me market na fente mine so enye na ohokra obetia from 020-821-9129 na on sedimo gel and roll on yenhwehwe nkomo yenhwemwa emaniama entutu ye enfom apomodon semwemu ene companies awodo etechira abo amena no penso yede a okense hu sempa saka 8 mejao the journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step yenhase enfamfi English Premier League EPL matches awodwa eno na adwede sum etimi san top fam national smam say Chelsea eche Bournemouth for twoma kamienu omo entimi anti na fe Manchester United eche Nottingham Forest for enso twoma ka pole miensa onso entimi ensimada braka bo ani akoma hwese na kesi no esi ekoso Mamintintum ewo Africa na fi hwese na nema esitie ewade a CAF president Taditini Patrice Musembe de nkomo kraba na asmo kanyina senyame adoma afi 2023 CAF mpem fo anhyehyɛ sonko se yemfa African Super League in 20 times so South African Super League no bibia betwemu dia na se 24 clubs from 16 countries and this Harkins case in between aboso August 2023 and no so between abaso bato gidi pa se sanhyehyɛ timi etomu yie pa na se Africa e be sha se tua players kaye ewo omudwumadi Womudi Edema Omo clubs.
Of the world, and we're making good progress, and I'll talk about that. But also, we shouldn't underestimate the importance of finance, of the salaries that players earn, that coaches earn in other parts of the world, and that's why the Super League for us, the African Super League, is a very important intervention, and we are confident over time it will significantly increase the salaries of players in Africa and compete, because I know that even before I became president of CAF, we were competing with the family club, and when I say family club, they say, is it Orlando Pirates or Kaizer Chiefs or the other one, or the Brazilian? All of them are family clubs, including Amazulu. Al Ahly is a family club. Love Al Ahly. I was so excited. Spent a few minutes with my brother, the chairman of. We bumped into each other in Qatar. Very special. I'm very proud of him. Chairman of Al Ahly. We had a wonderful few minutes. He does great work, and I wish Al Ahly all of the best, and Zamalek and all of the teams, Wydad and TP Mazembe and all of the teams. But the point I was going to make is that we know how much they pay in the Scandinavian countries for players, and we could compete and pay African players comparatively with what they pay them in many parts of Europe, and in some regards pay even more. So we are absolutely confident that the performance at the FIFA World Cup in Qatar will serve as a significant stimulus, as a significant accelerator for
Enti CAF President Patrice Musimbe ni nkomodi aba e de afa African Super Cup anyame adoma afi 2023 e be hyase e obem ha no eno ho enhyehyɛ enso eno no afi entintom all the Black Galaxies of Ghana omna enkane from said the local blaster team no wo mo ya ho sesi dia kopie mo Nigeria ho ana African Nations Championship 20 afense chan e betimi abaso na mo mene o ka say de makopie mo Egypt enra omne Egypt the young Pharaohs Egypt for national team under 20 no e de ayenkogura case ba kwet time so e ko ba say eye chanti manase eye Black Galaxies wo mo chiom etwa Egypt for e kamienu a wo mo ntimi anti abrante ne dini Kofi Koji keke wona poso atene edikan uhwemu dia na 15th minute ana Sakins case 8 minutes to Jona for Sylvester Simba SS one also 57th minute or share second goal no e de ma the Black Galaxies of Ghana e wo mu dwumedia enra o mu 8 media no na ne ebepie mu ne se odo ani e kire Egypt dia Ghana's ambassador to Egypt His Excellency Obed Buama Akwa e de ne nkomo kakra ekugya amrante ne mra woni omo ekuhyiae.
From the records, I think it has taken us some time to get back into this competition. And this is a golden opportunity for us to lift high the flag of Ghana. The last time we won the competition, that is the Black Stars, was 1982. So many years ago, close to where you are going, in Libya. And that trophy was won against all odds, because this was in the midst of the revolution. In fact, Ghana was not going to participate, but somehow a decision was taken, and they put together a team, and they went and won. And from that time up to today, we've been struggling. We've gone to final several times, but then just like when we met Cote d'Ivoire. Again, I was at Osu, Oxford Street to watch that match. I mean, I knew that we were taking the trophy. Everything appeared to be on course. Something small was missing, and we lost it. So, I want to urge you, Ghana is looking up to you, the whole country. Your parents are looking up to you, your brothers and sisters, your club, the club that you represent, they are looking up to you. So please put in your maximum and set an aim. And the aim should be obvious.
Ambassador to Egypt and Atene Council de Nkomo Asia the Black Galaxies of Ghana omukopie mu Egypt amudi am sese 8 times so na if you work up na ekobes na otwemienu entemnie na work up nkomo de yenya enja idea okay kan ni kirema na se MP de ma Zebela constituency honorable Clistos Avoka wode nkomo kakra ba na asemo kan na ne se na no work up Ghana de nitime san kira se no otumi sampa anya ho sese papa bia anya de kopie mu o sa kan kese na se no nam so ma ekobo Ghana fam.
Mr. Speaker, Qatar 2022 has told us several lessons that you cannot live in past glory in terms of football again. You cannot live in past glory. Spain, Germany, Brazil were examples in Qatar 2022. That Qatar or football now believes in preparation, adequate or good preparation. Then commitment and dedication, and then technical ability or capacity. If you have these three, you have the good preparation, you have the hard work, and you have the technical capacity, you will go places. And those teams that went to the quarterfinals, the semi-final, and the finals demonstrated these attributes that I'm talking about. Maybe we lacked them. That is why we did not go far. So, if you still think in the past, like some time ago, Ghana was African beacon, 1963, 65, 78, 1982. We are living in the past, so we must wake up. There are no football minnows again. There are no big names again. Names don't play football. It's preparation that plays football. That was a lesson that we learned from the Qatar episode. Now, the other aspect, number three. Our approach to the tournament was negative. Honorable Minister, the Ghana approach to the tournament was negative. Negative in the sense that we gave too much respect to our opponents, as if we did not also qualify on merit. Against Portugal, we spent half of the time playing at our half and allowing the other opportunity to run down on us. Even against Uruguay, where we had developed strength from our match against Korea, we thought that we would be aggressive there. We spent half of the time playing at our end. And the best form of defense is attack, and not just defense. I think that was a negative approach. And we gave too much respect to our opponents. So they had opportunity to do several things. So I think that next time, we should know, Qatar has told us that there are no weak teams, there are no strong teams, there are no good old teams and the rest of them, hard work and dedication. If we have confidence in ourselves, the approach that we exhibited in the World Cup would have been a different.
World Cup, you go so trainer, but yentin to more MTNFA Cup round of 64 and round matches ni between Santo Fem na Uncle T United for transfer cross of for Ebechi Pram Ekromeka Polymiensa Uncle T United ete Kanaba Kope na Finso a second Dr. Kiki upon the bad team no one so Dreams Football Club for them the 10 times so 90 minutes and Dreams Eddie experience Echa second for no Ekaminoa almost Antimi Meno Casadi teams no are qualified for round of 32 no one more House of Folk qualified Dreams are qualified Great Olympics Kumasi Asandoko Karela United and Swatamai are qualified Hearts of Flames are qualified STK Stars are qualified and I feel War Power and so qualified Benab FC Sky FC Tanobo 4 Quaskito Ipebrem Crystal Palace Legon City Liberty Professionals MSK Zalina and I feel Zema Kotoko ITU are qualified and WB United also qualified Ken Fires are qualified Nations FC and I feel Biani Gold Stars Volta Rangers Venomon Vipers Ebusia Bonto Drafts Adriana Stars Summer Test and I feel Stefas and Kutukurias and Mighty Wheels and I feel Sorensi FC one more any teams are qualified for the round of 32 MTNFA Cup against Kesia Yamia Droba and also Ebetian Satwa so now Chia Yebesimno at the draw Ebetian 10 times na fear who near Oshia Wine I was against Kesia and also Ebetian Tofem Nim Wilson Amijana Media name common SC Shanusumame said 1x bet I've always told you that betting is better than Saka wa bet here and my boys and your freedom are out to me some financially Niama Elkoye the mama for Brunye a 1x bet one more Anna Elboa and I feel fast mesture a do it she infections and etetiwa on set to make a jeffas and no subitia bois and my niama acquired the amount of sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel but more than that senroy infections and etetiwa on set to make a sedimo gel and roll-on beer a two pain I say neboa and my niama 18 quid ma women and sponsors say touch that woman and open so your day I will cancel some pine saka our Doom TV brunya patakesi as a ejao within the Enoch Kwesi Walanyo wala sagudi catch back up and I'm of course evidence based representation it me jaw erade entene ma onyo kese and you feel baby that sony na on found call baby that so the act of being a good guest is to know to say happy Christmas.